looking good. Beautiful out today, absolutely gorgeous. But it's still like 47 degrees right now. I think 47 or 48 it's gonna get to today, so yeah, it's not quite really nice, but I always love it when like you can kind of like show off a little bit, right? Because like when I ride with my buddies, I'm the shit one. I'm the you know what I mean? Like I'm the trash rider. Not that they like tell me that or think that, but obviously they're, you know, all the people I ride with are leagues above me, which is great, right? Like it's always good to have people around you that are better than you, can push you and teach you stuff. So, and plus for as far as my footage going, me filming them, so it's great. But yeah, so like I'm used to being around dudes that just absolutely shred, so I'm like, yeah, whatever. I don't ever like expect me to be able to impress them. I mean, they could be props and stuff, but yeah, so like but when you can like rip by some dudes like that probably don't fucking stunt, you know what I mean? Like they're on dirt wheels and stuff. Obviously they're watching me all crazy, so it's, I don't know, it's always cool to be able to do that. And I hit the one-hander. Feeling good, feeling real good. Yeah, once it's a little bit warmer out, I'll be able to get into it more and you know, get some of my stamina back. What was I saying? So anyway, yeah. So like once it's warmer out, I'll get back. I'll be riding more. I'll get my stamina back as far as being able to hold on to the bars, all that shit, and then combos and whatever else I want to learn how to do. Today we're just gonna do some, just, I don't know, just kind of ride around. I'm gonna probably just rant about random shit or just talk, but mainly I'm just going to do a little bit of practice. So I figured I'd just film it and throw it up for you guys, so you got something to watch if you want to. It's still pretty cold out, but pretty soon here I'm gonna be making a wheelie tutorial video, because I had a couple people, or maybe it's the same person, but I have some people hitting me up to asking me to make a wheelie tutorial. So I was like, hell yeah, I'd love to make one, you know. That's like all I used to watch before I knew how to stunt, right? Before I knew how to wheelie. That's like all you watch is how to wheelie tutorials, because it's like, it seems like magic when you can't do it, right? You're like, how are they just so comfortable, right? Like in a wheelie, you're just chilling. Like how? Bro, how? I'll need a second filmer, of course, so I'll probably have the wife or something come out and have her film with the DSLR or whatever, so that you can actually see some third-person shit rather than all first-person. So I'm trying to learn how to turn in one hand. So the turning though, like you're in it, and you shift over. See, that's my thing though. When I'm trying to turn and I do the initial shift, it goes and then immediately like whips me back the other way. Okay, so if I want to shift right, okay, shift left. You kind of got to stay on the throttle a little bit. Getting some long ones though. And then how to hold one-handers longer too, that's another one. And knee knockers, I'm so like, there's so much like weight in my arms and force on my arms that I can't do them very long. But it seems like when I watch other people do them, they do them for miles and they don't get tired because all the weight is in their knee where it should be. And for whatever reason, I just haven't quite figured that out yet. So that's kind of what I'm trying to practice. So beautiful. I love where I live. I absolutely hate winter, obviously, because I ride. I hate winter, bro. Like it being cold and shit. I hate it. But that view, oh my god, it looks so good. I love the mountains with the snow on them and blue sky. Woo! Let's try some knee work. Let's see about some knee work. Still pretty tight in the arms. When I watch most people do the knee knockers, see, like when I do it, it's usually mostly shin sideways across the seat, and so then that way it's like, yeah, your shin starts sliding down, whatever. But like Travis Ave and Scotty, when he does them, it seems like they have their knee dug into the seat more so than their shin. But I don't know. I don't know how people do it like that. Yeah, it kind of bothers, it kind of feels weird on my knee. I don't really like that. Yeah, it feels good to just be able to ride, bro. Winter here feels like it's forever, bro. Like sometimes, I mean, it kind of is. It's like 5 or 6 months out of the year, realistically, depending on how that year is as far as how bad the winter is. But still, it's like 5-6 months out of the year, and it's like, damn, it's too cold, or it's snowing and whatever. So yeah, it sucks living in a place like this where you get those winters every year, and it's like, dude, it just seems like forever. You come back all rusty, and yeah. Ooh, a little bit of a scrape there. Easier to do knee knocks in 4th gear. There's so much tension in my arms. Like I said, like I see dudes bury their knee like way back here and their legs kind of sitting like way out here, right? But like I'm usually have my leg across like that, and like my foot's right in front of the exhaust getting burned. If you guys haven't seen the bike in a while, she's nice and dirty and still looks pretty okay. Paint's chipping off this. I need to order like actually a white face piece, but I'd have to try to get this sticker off and reapply it somehow. So that's kind of something I don't want to deal with. And I currently don't have a license plate or a tail light, brake light, blinker, or whatever, because this shit just keeps getting ripped off. And I was like, dude, I'm over it. You know how many Amazon setups I've had on here and they just get scraped off, and I'm just like, all right, yeah. What about 5th gear knee knockers? Really got to pull those up. Way more comfortable though. Yeah, anything I missed? Let's see. Plenty more videos coming this season. Once it's still a little bit cold out, shitty. So I mean, this past week and a half or 2 weeks it's been raining and cold, so it's the first time it's been this nice. Anyway, weather's coming around. I'll be on more rides, and I'm gonna do a wheelie tutorial once it gets warmer out with some third person stuff, so you guys can really see what's going on with the clutch and brake and balance of the upper body and stuff. I'm gonna do that. It always makes me happy when I can make other people happy with some little bit of stunt riding. A lot of people get pissed off, bro. I want to thank everyone who watched the video, who liked the video, shared it, whatever you do. If you subscribed or if you're already a subscriber, everybody, thank you, appreciate it, and I will see you guys next time.